Your passport to solutions at the IAIABC 110th convention is the IAIABC Convention app. The app for this event, Cvent Events, is accessible via phone or web. We encourage you to download the Cvent Events app in the Google Play or App Store, or if accessing from the web, to use the Google Chrome browser and bookmark the page. Follow the instructions on this slide to access the app. Using the app, you can set your agenda for the week, see a list of attendees, view maps of the Hilton Toronto space, view and download meeting agendas, materials, learn about convention sponsors, access conference details, participate in the app game, and more. Now let's learn a little bit more about how the app works. When accessing the app via the web version or mobile app, you will enter your first name, last name, and email address that you registered with. And then you will receive a verification code from Cvent to that email address. In the mobile app, you will be able to access some content without logging in, but not all until you are logged in. Once you've entered the homepage, you'll be able to view information about our mobile app sponsors, the American Medical Association and ECLR, view the schedule, learn about speakers, learn about sponsors, message and connect with fellow attendees, access menus, learn more about Toronto, access frequently asked questions, and play the app game. Under the schedule section of the navigation bar, you can click all sessions to access the schedule for the week. Each session you are able to add to your schedule by clicking the Add button, or to remove from your schedule by clicking the Remove button. On this page, you can also filter sessions by day, by time, by speakers, location, aka which room it will be in, or by interest areas. To learn more about a session, you'll click the title of the session. Once in the session, you can see the interest areas, the speakers, a description of the session, and then on the right-hand side panel, you'll be able to see the resources. Committee agendas will be in the app ahead of the event. Presentations for educational sessions and committee meetings will be available throughout the event, likely 24 hours after the session or post-event. Under the date and time of the session, you'll find an Add to Calendar button that allows you to add each session to the digital calendar of your choice. In the mobile app schedule section, you'll click a plus to add the session to your schedule and a check mark to remove it from your schedule. Resources, including agendas and presentations, will be found at the bottom of the session page as attachments, and you can also access the schedule from the calendar icon on the bottom of the app. Also, under the schedule section of the navigation bar, you can access My Schedule, which will show you all the sessions that you have added to your schedule, as well as an option to download your calendar. The final item under the schedule section of the navigation bar is the speaker section. On this page, you can sort speakers by first name, last name, job title, or company. There's also a search function if you're looking for a particular speaker. If you click on the name of the speaker, you will also see their biography and the session or sessions that they'll be participating in throughout the week, and you're able to add those sessions to your schedule. On the mobile app, the speakers can be found in the 3-line or hamburger menu on the right-hand bottom side of the app. Under the community section of the navigation bar, you'll find the game and the attendee sections. The game will begin on Monday, September 23rd, the first day of the conference. You can participate by scanning QR codes during sessions in the app and by completing items in the app. The winner will be announced on Thursday, September 26th at 10:15 a.m. In the mobile app, the game and attendee sections can be found also in the 3-line or hamburger menu on the right-hand bottom side of the app. Under the attendee section, you can search for attendees in the search bar, as well as sort attendees by first name, last name, job, title, and company. The plus sign person symbol will allow you to connect with the attendee, and the message bubble will allow you to message the attendee. If you click on the attendee's name, you will be able to see their name, title, and company, as well as those symbols I just described. If they have added a headshot, social media links, location information, or a short description, you'll also see these on their page. Under the sponsor section of the navigation bar, you'll find a sponsor listing. You can click on their name or logo to learn more about them, including sessions they are sponsoring, a description of their organization, social media links, view videos, view documents, and more. In the mobile app, sponsors can be found also in the 3-line or hamburger menu on the right-hand bottom side of the app. Under the More section of the navigation bar, you will find floor plans, menus, About Toronto, and frequently asked questions. The floor plans will show maps of the Hilton Toronto, where all of the conference sessions will take place. You can click into the maps to see where specific sessions are by clicking on the little green icons. Under menus, we have a listing of menus and dietary restriction options for each meal served at the IAIABC 110th convention. Under the About Toronto section, we have information regarding local attractions, nearby dining, special passes to attractions, and more. Under the Frequently Asked Questions section, you'll learn more about guest passes, committee meetings, badge scanning, and continuing legal education. In the mobile app, the floor plans, menus, About Toronto, and frequently asked questions can be found in the 3-line or hamburger menu on the right-hand bottom side of the app. The circle in the navigation with a person icon or your profile picture allows you to view your profile for the app. You can add a headline about yourself, tell attendees more about yourself, including your location, social media links, pronouns, and more by clicking the Edit Profile button on your profile. The bell icon on the navigation bar will show any notifications for room changes, game announcements, etc. The message bubble on the navigation will show any messages that you've received from fellow attendees, and the calendar icon on the navigation bar will show you your upcoming sessions. In the mobile app, you can find your notifications, messages, and connections by clicking your person icon or profile picture in the upper right corner. I hope you learned a little more about the IAIABC Convention app and I encourage you to make connections throughout the event and participate in the app game. We'll see you soon in Toronto.